These nails are super old. I've had them on for probably about a month, so I want to show you how I do a refill when I'm not quite ready to take them off yet. Hi beauties, welcome or welcome back to Aloft Aloft. So when I am doing a quick change, or even if I decide to fully remove these gel polish nails, sometimes I choose to use an e-file like I'm using now, which is just a standard drill. However, this one is a lot more beginner friendly because it doesn't cut or bite into your skin, nor does it cause your nail bed to overheat like some of the traditional e-files would. So here I am just showing you the process of how I remove the shine, which will be the top coat for those that aren't familiar with the process. But I'm showing you how I remove the shine from each of my nails, as well as remove any of the polish that I feel is lifting or that has chipped. Because as I said, I've had these on for, I believe, 4 weeks, but it might be getting closer to 5 weeks. So it's been quite a while, and I've done a lot of work outside. So I haven't been the most gentle, which I usually am not. But I haven't been the most gentle with these nails. Plus, I'm going to be doing a lot of upcoming work outside, so I need to strengthen these so to make sure that I don't break any or don't chip any. So I am just going to show you the process of how I remove first the top coat off, as well as any lifting, before I reapply and refill my nails.